What's up, guys? Welcome. What a day, what a day. Well, guys, this is the video right here. Something new for the channel, a build series for the bike. Yes, finally getting some stuff in the mail soon. Half of it shipped, and then the other half I'm waiting for it to ship. And it's some pretty good stuff for the build series. I'm gonna get new seat cover. I'm just gonna go ahead and reveal it to you guys. Go ahead and tell you so you're pumped and excited, and can't wait for what the bike's gonna look like afterwards. And it's gonna something I'm getting make it gonna run better also, so that's gonna be good. But I'm gonna get a ribbed seat cover. I purchased me a new carburetor. Let me know down below if the 2000 YZ 125 carburetors are 36mm. Did some research, and that's all that found a couple things, and it said that it is, and it's coming from China. Got some faster shipping, so it don't take as long. That's a monster in the drain. Said it'd be here next week or something from China. It's pretty crazy. And what else did I get? What else? Gonna get some new bars. New bars. You guys won't believe it. Finally picked up me some gear. Spent the money, a lot of money, $400. But got me some boots, some pants, jersey. Gonna give me a helmet. They refunded the money for some reason. But it all matches, red and blue. Pretty sick. And some new gloves. All good gear, fly racing. You'll see it when he gets here. The boots are here today, so you might see it in this video, or you might just well, I'll just wait and you'll see it in the build series episodes coming up. But this is it. Just wanted to update you guys because I haven't did a video in a couple days. If you enjoyed this video, which you probably didn't, I mean the intro is pretty lit. But subscribe, share, stay tuned, and turn on notifications and get ready for the build series coming up. You don't want to miss out on highgearmx's race bike build series. But yeah, guys, other than that, I'll catch you on the next one.